Hello YouTube and welcome back to this week's video, 2E0IQJ. So if you've been watching my videos for a while and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button and hit the bell button to stay notified of when I do new videos. So this week's video, got a new radio to unbox and show you, and it's the mini colour screen mobile radio. The reason I bought this radio is because I was going to use this one on the bike, and this is the VV898. It's not the S version, it's the original version, and it's running 5 watts, but after a while it dead keys. You have to take the microphone out, stick the microphone back in, and it works again. I could not get this to run properly via chirp. I can program the radio, but I can't program the start screen with my call sign and stuff. Plus it's dead keying, so I decided need to get a new radio. So I decided to get one of these, hopefully maybe mount on the bike now the warm weather's coming in. So we'll take a close look at what's in the box, and I'll plug it in and see if anyone's around, so we can hear anyone on any repeaters. Here we go, the mini colour screen mobile radio. You can customise the colour screen. It's got 4 VFOs. You also got 5-tone, 2-tone, I don't mean the specials, anti-DTMF. It says dual band, quad band standby, quad band, quad standby, but I think it's only dual band. External speaker, PTT switch, remote stun, remote kill, remote receive, and computer programming. It's fully supported via chirp. On the bottom you've got the mini colour screen mobile radio and a Hummer, is it Hummer or a Land Rover, so I don't know. Same on the side, same on the back, on the top of it. On the back you've got recycled packaging. So let's open the box up and see what's inside. So in the box you get 2 user manuals, that one there in Chinglish and that one there in not so Chinglish. You've got the microphone itself, which is a lot better microphone than the 898S or 898, and it comes with a, I think it's like a Ethernet socket which goes in the front of the radio. You've got the power lead, and that goes into the cigarette plug of a car. It's also on the other end is like a T connection, which means I can use this T connection from the old VV898 radio and run it off a drone battery. You got a mic bracket, screws, there's a couple of fuses in there, I believe there's a fuses in there, screws and stuff. Yeah, mobile radio dedicated screws. The radio itself, it's a very, very small unit. You've got your volume, and press it in to turn it on. V-stroke M, your call button, so it might be 1750 Hz tone. You've got exit A, B, C, D, so you can push that to go between your VFOs. You've got monitor button, FM, and you can turn the dial there to turn between frequencies or turn between you got repeaters programmed in. On the back you've got a standard 259 socket or SO239. You got the fan because it's a tiny little radio and it does get quite warm. Data cable, and you got your headphone socket, and there's your fuse lead there, and you can plug it in there, and then say the extra bit of the power lead. Also got the rig bracket, so let me plug it in and we'll see if we can hear anyone on any of the repeaters. So to set it up, you're just going to go cable in there, that's to my antenna. We're going to plug cigarette socket into the power socket, cigarette socket on the power supply. Now you could chop this wire down and then connect it to the terminals there or the ones at the back, but I'm going to leave it like that. And we're going to plug in the cable there, and then last but not least we're going to plug in the microphone. So if I press and hold the button at the front, you see it turns on. So let's turn them off. Say goodbye, let's turn them on again so you can see what comes on the display. My call sign, my name, and a few repeaters I've programmed in. So if I go to, so you've got GB3AY, and you can go through the repeaters by using the up and down keys on the mic. So you can go OY, PE, PI, that sort of stuff. You can press exit, which is there, or you can do it on the actual microphone itself. You go to VH, press it again, got Cube 70, which is a simplex frequency I use. And there's a 2 meter frequency I use, and it's giving me F4 to 5. You go back to OY and you can have 4 different repeaters in there. You don't have to have simplex on the bottom too. You can have 4 repeater, or repeater 1 at the top you use, 2, 3, 4, and just go through them all. And it says on there, there's a warning there, this unit, this surface may be hot. And if you use it for a long period of time, so I used it half hour the other day, the old fan was kicking in the back, keeping underneath of it, nice and cold. It was a bit warm on the top though. And there's an idiot there playing music on GB3AY. Just turn him off. And the microphone, DTMF mic, scan, lock, menu, up, down, exit AB, PTT switch, and a clip there. And it's kicking 25 watts on high power. I'm not sure what's kicking on low power. I've never run it on high power, I only run it on low power. And might be 10 watts, I don't know. But 25 watts mobile should be okay for use on the bicycle. Use it off the old drone batteries. So there we go, quick unboxing of the mini colour screen mobile radio. And this is a model number QYT8900D. Now I got mine from Amazon for around about £71. I only wanted £77 with the programming cable. When I unboxed mine, it came with the programming cable and the software. Now I'm on Mac, so software's no good to me, but it was fully supported via Chirp. So yeah, I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. 2E0IQJ73.